going to explain about graph traversal, focusing on two main important algorithms in computer science: breadth first search known as BFS and depth first search known as DFS. Before we begin, let first understand what a graph is. A graph is a data structure made of verticals, which we also call nodes, and edges, which connect in those nodes. Graphs are widely used in world applications such as GPS navigation, social media networks, and search engines. Now we talk about the BFS rules. Here how BFS works: start at the chosen node, mark it as visited, put into the queue, remove the node from the queue, visit all its unvisited neighbors, mark those neighbors as visited, and add them to the queue. Repeat until the queue is empty. Simple rule in the BFS is visit nearby nodes before to go further. Let's talk about the DFS step-by-step rules. DFS works like this. Start at the chosen node, mark it as a visited. Visit one unvisited neighbor. From that neighbor, go to its unvisited neighbor. Continue going deeper. If no unvisited neighbors remain, backtrack. Repeat until all nodes are visited. Simple rule in DFS is go deep first, then come back. Let's look at a small example graph. Assume the connection structure. A is connected to the B and C, B is connected to the D and E, C is connected to the F. BFS traversal order is visit A first and add B and C to the queue, visit B, add D and E to the queue, visit C, add F to the queue, visit D, and visit E, and visit F. BFS order is A to the B, B to the C, C to the D, E to the F. It goes level by level. A DFS order is start at the A, go as deep as possible, visit A and then go to the B and go to the D. Backtrack to the B and go to the E. Backtrack to the A and go to the C and go to the F. A DFS order is A to the B, B to the D, D to the E, and E to the C, C to the F. It dives deep before moving to the sideways. Differences between BFS and DFS is approaches in BFS is level by level, while DFS is branch by branch. BFS use data structure queue and DFS use a stack or recursion. BFS is use the shortest path, while DFS explore all the paths. BFS use higher storage because it stores all nodes in a level, while DFS is slower because it stores only current path. BF is broad first and DF is deep first. Application of BFS. BFS is commonly used in shortcut paths in unweighted graphs, GPS navigation systems, social networks, friend suggestion, finding nearest resources, network broadcasting, web crawling. If you want the close to the minimum, the BFS is the your guy. Application of DFS. DFS is used in maze solving, cycle detection, topology sorting, path extension checking, puzzle solving, backtracking, algorithms while system traversal. If you want to explore all the possible deeply, DFS is the perfect. When you to use when use BFS when you need the shortest path, you want a near solution or graph level matters. Use DFS when you must explore the older path, you are solving puzzles or regression problems, or memory needs to lower in wide gaps.